Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, October 10th, 2012. I am potentially your future stock mentor. Know that in exactly 10 days from today, we will have our online mentorship, and you can certainly join us. You can do it from the comforts of your own home, and you can hang out with us on Saturday, Sunday, and all day on Monday. It's a 3-day full immersion of what a person needs to learn to trade with great confidence in the markets. Take a look here at the markets. Check this out. Dow down 128 points. Down nearly a full percent. The S&P down 0.6%. NASDAQ down 0.4%. Russell's down just a bit, 0.14%. Banks leading the charge all day long. So the banks leading. Matter of fact, there was a huge pop in financials in the last minute of the trading day. Today, VIX only down 0.5%. Gold off by a smidgen. Silver up a bit. Crude oil off by almost a full percent. US dollar down. US dollar down, and the market still saw a drop. What I'm seeing here, just in what we're seeing with the market internals, we have a pretty good chance of an update tomorrow. Look at this. Transportation index was in positive territory. So again, we have the makings for an update tomorrow just by looking at that. But let's see if technicals will confirm what it is we're looking at. We have the spider, or in this case the S&P 500 index rather. We have this drop, we hit support, we tried to pop, we hit our head at resistance, we drop, breaking a support line, and yesterday breaking the 20-day moving average. We've dropped back down to an area of support. You can see this choppy support. We're near support, just a smidgen below it, still above the 50-day moving average. Now, if you want to split hairs here, technically speaking, even the textbooks say that we now have a double top trend reversal pattern. I'm saying we got to be a little careful here, and here's why. It goes to the weekly chart. Weekly chart, we busted to resistance, hit this area, which served as resistance. It allows me to draw a green trend line, and we build this high base, choppy. Now, so far for this week, we've dropped, but look where we stopped. We stopped at a key area. If you go back all the way to April of 2011, we have a swing high here. We come across to March and April of 2012. We come across, acts as resistance here, well, later part of August 2012, and then support around September 2012, and the last part of September 2012 still support, and for October, just getting started, we're at that support level yet again. So because of that support level, it's been tested a couple times. I think that there's a really good chance of this bouncing right back up, which if you go back to the daily, that means we'd have a white candlestick heading higher here, and that would help us confirm what we were seeing in the indices, with the banks leading, transportation leading, and seeing the NASDAQ and Russells not doing so bad. So with that said, again, I do foresee a bullish day tomorrow, but the markets are under significant strain right now, starting to break down with the double top trend reversal pattern. A lot of things going on here. We're now starting to get chewed up within the moving averages. It's always a turbulent place to be, and that's where we find ourselves now. So with this, take a quick look at Apple. Apple popped as I thought it would, even with a 3-digit down day in the Dow. Higher high, higher low. We talked about the hammer yesterday. We talked about the big volume. See what happened with Google. Google looks like a buying opportunity. We have a bull pullback to a rising 20-day moving average, and I would be looking for a higher high if that happens. Be looking for an entry on Google. Facebook, that thing is just in trouble, dropping. So, and GLD for you gold bugs. This is a problem with GLD. We are pulling back, but we're below now the 20-day moving average, just like we were yesterday. And I do expect to see a little pop here, but it's not worth an entry at this moment. So again, myself and Mark could be your trading mentors, and we will be your mentors for life. All you need to do is go to the website, click on mentoring. Once you do that, you'll get to watch a lot of different very important videos. The one that we're doing in Vegas in November, watch that one. And then a lot of these individuals were in Vegas, not all of them, but you can listen and hear these students yourself. And if you want to read a bunch of testimonials, feel free to click that down there. So once you're done with that, fill out the form. Carolina will give you a courtesy phone call, and you'll just have a little chat to find out if we have a match. Take care, safe trading, shares with a friend.